This bird can literally remember your face. So yeah, being rude to one is a terrible idea. Subscribe for more crazy animal facts, because this one sounds fake, but it's real. Crows are insanely smart. They can recognize human faces and remember people for years. If you annoy one crow, it might warn other crows about you too. Imagine getting canceled by birds. They also use tools, solve puzzles, and even leave gifts for humans they like. Meanwhile, my Wi-Fi router struggles to function every morning, and some crows can mimic sounds, including human voices. So if a crow says, "hello" one day, maybe just move houses. Crows aren't just smart, they're basically tiny, feathered masterminds.